In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze your Monzo card to instantly block new transactions. This is the quickest way to protect your money if you've misplaced your card or notice anything unusual on your account. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect at each step. First, open the Monzo app and head to your account tab, which you'll also see labeled as Home. This is the main screen that shows your balance and your recent transactions feed. If you're seeing other sections like Payments or Insights, just make sure you're back on the Home view where your card and account details are front and center. Give the app a moment to refresh so you're looking at the latest information. A stable internet connection helps here. Next, look for the card icon. This is the small card graphic you'll typically find near the top of the home screen. Tapping this icon opens up your card controls. It's designed to be easy to spot and quick to access so you can act fast if you need to secure your account. Now, select Freeze Card. When you do this, the app will immediately switch your card status to frozen. You'll see a clear visual confirmation in the app, often a label or a visual change so you know the freeze is active. From this moment, new transactions on that card are blocked. That means attempts to use your card details for purchases or withdrawals going forward won't go through while the freeze is in place. A quick note on what blocked new transactions means in practice. It stops fresh charges initiated after the freeze. Transactions that were already authorized or are pending before you freeze may still complete, and you'll still see your past activity in the feed. This step is about stopping anything new while you figure out where your card is or decide on next steps. It's a fast, temporary safety measure. Think of it like putting your card on pause so nothing else can happen with it. If you rely on real-time alerts, make sure your device notifications for Monzo are enabled so you can spot unusual activity quickly in the future. Keeping your app updated also ensures the freeze control is responsive and easy to reach when you need it most. And that's it. Open the Monzo app and go to Home. Tap the card icon, then select Freeze Card. In just a few taps, you've locked down your card and immediately blocked new transactions, helping keep your money safe while you take a moment to regroup.